Guys, hope we are all doing well. In today's video, we are looking at how to unbox. So unboxing Infinix Note 30. So this is the package. Everything is sealed. It's from Jumia. As you can see, everything is sealed. The package is sealed. So you have to tear the rubber. You see the label of it. Okay, Jumia. Then you review your package. So this is the Note 30. Note 30. 128 gig with 16 gig RAM. Everything is sealed. Everything is sealed. So you just have to get a pin on anything of that sort and tear the rubber beneath it. Like this. So you can use knife or any form of cutter. Then tear the wrapper on it. Okay, Note 30 with 8 gig RAM. So this is how it is. So at the back over here, you can see the Note 30, the spec at the back. Then this is your phone. Let's see what is inside the box. Okay, as usual, they have an earpiece for you with a cord which is type C, and a charger head, After that, you get a phone case. So this is how a Note 30 phone case looks like. After that, you get your protector, which you can use for the screen, and the manual as well. This one, there is a paper inside which you can use it to wipe the screen. Over here is your phone. So this is how you remove the phone from the cover. So this is the Note 30. If you would want me to do more testing on this phone, you can leave a comment in the comment section so that I will be doing more video of unboxing and giving you the specs and how the phone looks like and the testing of it too. So this is the unboxing and how the Infinix Note 30 looks like. It's very nice phone. I will utilize it to see how efficient it is, and I will come back and give you feedback of how the phone is. Thanks once again for watching this video. Kindly like, comment and share. Thanks.